turn on the scooter, press the on button, the screen will come up, chip, and then the screen will come up. To go to the P settings, double click, long press on both buttons until you go to the password is 111. You move with the off and on and off button, and then 1, and then 1, and then 1, and the last one, long press on the on and off button until you move to the P settings. And then P0 always said the wheel diameter, P1 under voltage protection, 2 is the speed magnets, 3 gear settings, 4 is the speed units, 0 mileage or kilometer per hour, 5 is the start mode. Let's change this one and make it, this is pass. So this is the push start or the 0 start. So now the scooter needs to be pushed to start, and then this will take it up to push start, and then this will take it down to 0 start. To save, you long press on the on and off button, and then P6 will be the automatic cruise. It's 0 is off, 1 is on, and P7 is soft and hard start. Let's change this one. So 1, non-soft. So let's try this one. Long press on this button will save, and then 8 will be the speed limit. It's unrestricted now. So P8, to change it, long press on this button, and then this button will take it down 90%, 95%, and up to 100%. You can go all the way down to 25%. To save, just press this button for long press, and then it will stop on the both buttons together. I'm pressing only one by accident.
Just leave it.
Yep. And that's it. Now it's saved.